Hey everyone, and welcome to another video for the channel. Mid-displacement adventure bikes are having their absolute moment right now. More and more riders are looking for a machine that can handle the daily commute, tackle a weekend road trip, and venture off the tarmac, all without breaking a sweat. Today we're putting two contenders head-to-head, and trust me, they couldn't be more different in philosophy. The all-new BMW F450 GS, the gateway into the GS world, packing premium tech and a serious off-road focus, and the Honda NX500, the spiritual successor to the legendary CB500X, renowned for its bulletproof reliability and well-rounded balance. If you're into trail bikes and you've been thinking about making the jump into this segment, stick around until the end, hit subscribe, and ring that bell, because this comparison might just save you from making the wrong call. Visually, both motorcycles convey a modern adventure DNA, but with opposing personalities. The BMW F450 GS embraces an aggressive design inspired by the R1300 GS superbike, featuring a prominent front beak, angular lines, and a tall stance that communicates real off-road capability. In contrast, the Honda NX500 bets on a more fluid, modern, and minimalist aesthetic, with aerodynamic bodywork and proportions that favor highway use. While the BMW looks like a mini maxi trail ready to cross continents, the Honda projects a more urban and versatile image. Here, the choice comes down to the character you want to project and the terrain you plan to conquer. Perhaps the biggest difference between the two is that the BMW comes to market in two versions, one with spoke wheels and one with alloy wheels, both in 19 and 17-inch sizes, while the NX500 is only available in a single version with aluminum alloy wheels, also in 19 and 17 inches. At the mechanical heart, we find two completely different philosophies. On one side, the BMW is equipped with a new 420 cubic centimeter inline twin-cylinder engine featuring electronic fuel injection, liquid cooling, and a 6-speed transmission, delivering approximately 48 horsepower and 43 newton-meters of torque. It's designed to offer character, sharp throttle response, and smoothness thanks to its crankshaft with a 135-degree firing interval. On the other side, the Honda NX500 uses the proven 471 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled engine with a 6-speed transmission, putting out around 47 horsepower and 43 newton-meters, a power plant renowned for its linear power delivery, refinement, and long-term reliability. In terms of real-world feel, the BMW promises a more lively and exciting ride, with a sportier throttle response. The Honda, on the other hand, stands out for its smoothness and ease of riding, making it ideal for long-distance touring and everyday use. One of the most important and standout aspects of adventure motorcycles is weight and dimensions. In this regard, the BMW tips the scales at around 178 kilograms, or 392 pounds, fully fueled and ready to ride. That's an impressive figure that enhances its maneuverability and control off the beaten path. It also features a 14-liter fuel tank, a seat height of 845 millimeters, and a wheelbase of 1,450 millimeters. The Honda NX500, on the other hand, comes in at approximately 196 kilograms, or 432 pounds, which provides greater stability on the highway, but makes it somewhat less nimble on challenging terrain. It carries a larger 17.5-liter fuel tank, a seat height of 830 millimeters, a ground clearance of 180 millimeters, and a wheelbase of 1,445 millimeters. Both models share a steel multi-tubular frame and inverted front suspension. The BMW offers 180 millimeters of travel front and rear, while the NX500 delivers 150 millimeters of suspension travel throughout. When it comes to braking, the F450 runs dual disc brakes, a 310 millimeter rotor up front and a 240 millimeter disc at the rear. Honda answers with a 296 millimeter front disc paired with a 240 millimeter rear disc. In summary, the German machine gives you agility and confidence off-road, while the Honda rewards you with stability and assurance on the open highway. On a technological level, BMW raises the bar across the entire segment. The The new F450 incorporates multiple riding modes, adjustable traction control, an anti-hopping and assisted clutch, lean-sensitive Pro ABS anti-lock braking system, engine torque control, dynamic braking system, bidirectional quick shifter, and a full-color TFT display with advanced Bluetooth connectivity. Honda's model, on the other hand, also offers traction control and an assisted clutch, and additionally features ESS, emergency stop signal, which activates rear warning flashes under hard braking to enhance safety. It also includes an electronic anti-theft immobilizer. In select markets, we'll see a 2026 version equipped with the Honda e-clutch system, enabling smoother gear changes with minimal clutch input, all managed through a TFT display with connectivity via the Honda RoadSync app. This clearly reflects the philosophy of each brand. BMW bets on a premium experience and advanced electronics, while Honda prioritizes simplicity, reliability, and ease of use. When it comes to ergonomics, both bikes are accessible to most riders, but with very different approaches. The BMW presents a more upright, off-road-inspired riding position, ideal for standing on the pegs and tackling demanding terrain. The Honda, on the other hand, offers a comfortable seat and a more natural posture that reduces fatigue on long rides. For city commuting and daily use, the NX500 stands out for its smoothness, fuel efficiency, and ease of handling. But for adventure and exploration, the F450 delivers greater control, lighter feel, and real off-road capability. Now, let's talk numbers. The BMW is currently priced at $7,300 for its entry-level version, with the more premium variant expected to land close to $8,000. Meanwhile, the Honda NX is available in a single configuration at $6,900. As for maintenance, prices will vary by market, but the Honda NX tends to position itself as a reliable option with predictable service costs. BMW, on its part, brings more technology and a premium character to the table, which may mean a higher upfront cost, but also a greater perceived value when it comes to ownership and servicing. Finally, guys, as a conclusion, we can say that the Honda NX represents the perfect balance: reliable, comfortable, and efficient, an ideal companion for daily riding and long-distance trips. The new F450, on the other hand, comes with a more off-road, adventurous proposal, lighter and more tech-forward, designed for those who want to explore the mountains without limits and feel that GS DNA in every single kilometer. If your priority is safety and practicality, the Honda will be your best ally. But if you're looking for excitement, real off-road capability, and cutting-edge technology, the BMW could become the queen of the segment. Thank you for sticking around until the end of this video. I'll leave a link below to a video about the new KTM Duke 790. If you're interested, go check it out. As always, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.